So it's now time to install the carousel for the corner cabinet, also known as a Lazy Susan. So we'll open up this box here and see what's inside. So we're going to start working on just one of these platforms here. So we'll get rid of this rail. And also this placemat. Alright, so if we have a look here, you can see one side has a sticker, so we know that there is the bottom. We're going to take this round base plate here and we're going to drop this inside it, so it only goes in one way, so you can't really get it wrong. So we're going to take that and push that in from the bottom. Once again, there's a little groove in there, so you can only get it in one way. Once we've got that on there, we'll take our locking nut and thread that one there on. Make sure it's on nice and tight. We'll take these little pegs here. If you have a look, there's a little groove on one side. So we're just going to make sure this groove is facing onto the inside. Push all of these in. Alright, so once we've got all these pegs in, we can take one of these metal rail guards and open up our next bag here, which has a few more pieces, but I just don't want to lose these ones here. What we're going to take out of this is one of these, so just this little joiner or connector right here. We're just going to take that. And then just connect our rail here, so you can see it's separated. Put one on one side and then one on the other side. Then we can take this and we're just going to click it on. So start on any side you like. And this all clips in from the inside, so it might be best to start off on a corner. Alright, so now we've got one complete. We're going to take this placemat, drop that one there on top. We'll move this one here to a side and we're going to repeat the same process for our second one. So now we've got both the platforms ready, we're just going to move them over to a side and we're going to start installing our brackets. So we're going to take our rod, our two brackets, screws and a drill, and we're going to go down to the bottom of this cabinet. So on the base of your cabinet, you'll see there's two little holes. We're going to take the round base and we're going to take two screws and we're going to just simply attach this one here right into those holes. And up the top, you'll see another two holes. We're going to take our other bracket and we're going to attach this one. So it's got a little flat section that sits up against the side. So once again, very hard to get this wrong. So now we can take both of these platforms or the shelves, slide them inside. Just drop it on top of that plug for now. We're going to put the other shelf straight over the top. And now we're going to take this metal tube. So if you look at the top here, you'll notice that you can actually pull one side out. Leave that one there tucked in. We're going to push the bottom side in first, straight down the middle and lock it into the bottom of that tube as well. So now we've got the tube just slipped over the top of the bottom bracket. We're going to pull this section here out now and we're going to slide it up into that top bracket. And you can see there we've got a variety of different holes and we're just going to line it up with that bottom one. Take the last screw, which is this one right here, and we're just going to put the screw straight through there. So now I'm going to lift the top shelf and you'll notice there's a bunch of pins on the bottom, or a bunch of holes. We're going to take that pin and just put it from the third one from the bottom, which is this one right here. Simply push that right through, and with the bottom shelf, lift it up. There'll be a hole right down the bottom. Same thing, push that all the way through, drop it back down. And now we've got our Lazy Susan nicely installed.